Hey everyone, welcome back to Bros Lively Videos. It is currently Christmas Eve, so I thought I'd do a little special. It's a satisfying video. I'm going to be making the ice on the top of this. We put the other day because it was pretty windy. So, watch. If we click over here, it's better. It's kind of hard to hold the camera, so I'm gonna setting it here. Whoa! How deep is this? No one knows how deep it is. Hey guys, leave a like on the video if you eat ice. That's a weird thing to say, I know, but I'm saying it. Well, that's a bit of damage. Sorry that this video wasn't that good, but I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to get notifications every time I post a new video. See you guys next time. Bye.